finally hooked. I saw him catch it on the, oh, this guy's got some strength to him. I think I got one of the nicer ones. Let's see what we got. Whoa! Freaking freak out. Oh, wow. Beauty pike.
Boom, baby! Boom, baby!
I think he's got the trebles in the corner of his mouth. Wow. Oh yeah, that's a thick boy. Bring him around. See what happens when he sees the net. Oh, and there's his fat ass in the net. Wow. Oh no. And he busts a hole through the bottom of my net. Shiza. Because now I have to feed my rod through the hole. And hopefully not lose him. There we go. Well, that's a funny one for the books. Just happened to hit that hole in the net, wherever the hell. Oh yeah, there it is on the side. I'm going to try and net him one more time. If I can get the lip grips on him, then he'll be a little easier to manage.
What could possibly go wrong?
Ah, you son of a biscuit. Okay, hang on. I got him. Wow. That was just, how many ways can you lose a pike? As we are, good. Oh. Oh. This guy is fat. So we are looking at 33 inches. Okay. Wow, that is a fat, juicy pike. Well, that's her. That's the beast. I can't even get them all on the camera. All right, we're going to get him back into the water. Wow, 33, but such a specimen. That landing was a botch job from Hades, but you're going back to Tangaroa, my friend. Just get a little bit of water through your gills there, pal. There he goes. Wow. Wow. Well, that was a lot of horsing around, and I think I need a new net. That one almost cost me that fish twice or 3 times, something like that. But there you go. That is Monkey Lip Lake Pike, 33 inches, but fat as all get out.